Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. Unfortunately guys, I'm not able to make a lot of videos these days because I have been held up with a lot of work. So I really apologize if I'm not able to respond to your queries. I try my best to respond to each and every one. So if there is any delay in replying to you, it's just that I'm a little bit caught up with work, but I'm trying my best to answer each and every one of you. So coming back to this video, if you remember, I had made this video on one of this plant. I was not very sure at that point of time. Probably I thought it was an aguides and the center leaves were drying up, and as I said that it was due to underwatering, extreme underwatering, and keeping the succulent in direct sunlight. Later on, what I did is I moved it to indirect bright light. I started watering it, and then I started introducing it again to morning direct sunlight for around 5 hours and giving it a well hydration. So this is how the succulent looks right now. Most probably this is a black queen. I thought it was aguides, but it is not. And now you can see that beautiful stress colors on the center of the crown area. Looks absolutely beautiful. Initially I was a little bit scared when I seen that it is turned dark in color. I thought probably it's rotting, but luckily it is the stress colors. Now it gets a good amount of morning direct sunlight for around 5 hours, after which it gets indirect bright light. I'm keeping a close eye on watering. I'm not watering it too much. Whenever I feel that the soil is completely bone dry, I wait for around 5 to 6 days, and after that I go ahead and water it. So the plant also has a good amount of stress colors because of the morning direct sunlight, and I'm doing a balanced watering. So this is how the update looks like. Absolutely beautiful succulent. It is still kind of misshaped. Basically it's kind of tilting towards the lower portion. Probably that's how the stem or the root system is growing. I don't know if it's going to ever get straight, but it's absolutely okay. It looks beautiful anyways, so I'm okay with that. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.